to just raise your hand. Okay, so today we will start with odd number and even number. Okay, so first here you have to understand that what is odd number and what is even number, right? So for that we are just using the whiteboard. I am writing here because today's class is on odd number and even number. Odd number and even number. Okay. So here we can just say like that. Odd numbers are always, what happened, Amar?
Am I writing book or copy?
You write in copy. All of you, maths copy, please giving today's date and CW, you just write. So even numbers, one even numbers always end with which? 0, 2, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay, so if I'm going to take one example, so 12, right? 24, after that 68, these all are even numbers, right? So what is odd numbers? Odd numbers must be end with some the rest of the digits. So here we can write like that: odd numbers always end with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. Okay, so we can just give the example, right like that. Example are suppose 11, right? 91, right? 93. So these are the examples. Okay. Okay, so these are the example. You please write it down. After that, first digit books we will do. So if you have written down, so from the first digit book, here you all can see. So this book, okay, this book, first digit. You all will open the page. Up to open the page. Open the page 12. Page 12. This page, okay. This page, all of you will open. So this page, all of you will open, okay, afterwards. I hope that everyone can see. When the writing will be complete, this page all of you will open and I will share the screen of the pictures of this book. Page number 12 of your first digit book. Page number 12 of your first digit book. Okay, all of you open. Yes, Rajbir, what happened? Yes, tell me.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
should we use another copy for mental math?
No. Same copy.
Okay, ma'am.
Because mental maths are not much. Okay. Mostly we should do in the books, right? Okay, so here I'm just stopping the share, and rest I will just show you that picture. Just wait for a while. So these are the answers of odd numbers and even numbers. Okay, first odd number is you have to encircle. Encircle means you have to make a round circle to your book, first digit book. Okay, so this is the answer. You just complete it now only. Very fast complete it. Afterwards I will just tell you few more things, and I today I will give one activity from this chapter. Okay, first complete it, and afterwards I will tell what activity I will give. Complete. What happened, Soel?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I complete.
You complete. Wait for a while. Your friends are still doing. Okay. After that, I'll make you understand what you have to do back at your home. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I hope that all of you are completed. That is why you are raising your hand. More 1 minute I will wait. I should give 2 minutes. Okay. At 11:16 I have started sharing all these things. All the first digits answer up to means up to the next chapter means Roman numerals. All the answers are given in your first digit answers. Okay. So please solve it. Okay, 10 participant has raised the hand. So I will go to the next homework. Okay, this homework today I will give. All of you see? All of you see this picture? Adrita, can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here what is written, draw this on A4 size paper with the numbers. Means how the picture is given here, you can draw. If you are having printer, also you can just you can take a printout of this page. Okay, so means printing is not mandatory. What is mandatory? You have to do the activity. Okay, now after drawing, like you or circle balls, you have to draw. Okay, after that color the even number ball by yellow. Means suppose 2, 20, 24, 32, these all are even numbers. Okay, so take one color pencil and color it with yellow. Okay, like this we should do. How we will do, just suppose this is, I'm just annotating my screen, just try to see. Okay, suppose this is 2 is yellow, I told you, just completely color it like with yellow, like this way. And what I said, and odd number by green, right? So odd number, for odd number you just choose green, and the 27 is a odd number. You have to just color it. Okay, not now, but back at your home like this, you have to do the in all the numbers, and you have to take one picture, and you have to submit the assignment by today, by today 8 p.m. Understand? By today 8 p.m. you all have to understand, just submit the assignment. All of you understood this thing? All of you understood this thing? Please just, I am just doing the, I am just lowering all of your hand. I am just lowering all of you your hand. If you are not understanding this thing, you just raise your hand. Yes, Amar, what?
Ma'am, I could not understand. Please repeat.
Okay, here the numbers you all can see. Okay, again I'm repeating all the numbers means, here all the numbers, when you will download this picture means this PDF from the assignment section, means from the homework. Okay, it will go like homework. You can see this picture, you just draw it with a, draw it in a A4 size white paper. Okay, after drawing, what you will do, draw like this, whatever it is, having the question and odd number, even numbers, you don't have to write. And here it is given, color the even numbers orange and color the odd numbers yellow. Here this question you will not maintain, you will maintain this, color the even number ball by yellow and odd number by green. Okay, like the way I have shown you. 2 is a even number, so that is why I just colored it with yellow. And 27 is a odd number, I just colored it with green. Like this way, you will color the entire sheet. Okay, enter the numbers. And after that, you will take one picture and you have to submit that assignment. Okay, is it clear now? বুঝতে পারলে আমার? Amar, is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Rafiqul, is it clear now?
पूरा नंबर को कलर करना है.
Yeah. So पूरा means odd number को yellow करना है, odd number को green करना है, even number को yellow करना है. Sabnoor, is it understandable? Sabnoor?
odd number को green करना है.
odd number को green करना है and even number को yellow करना है.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So by today, by evening 8 p.m. you will do and you will submit, because afterwards you can't submit. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Amina, what happened?
Ma'am, it is homework.
Not, this is not in your book. You have to just you download it from the assignment section. Okay. And no, yes,
ম্যাম একবার
Yes.
বেঙ্গলিতে বলে দিন না, এটা পেপারের মধ্যে করবে ম্যাম?
just wait. So all of you. Okay. So I am stopping this share. Is it clear to all of you? No more questions I will take. I have explained the same things by unmuting you. I will not explain the same things repeatedly. Okay, if any problem is there, I will upload the video. You just turn on the video and you just check it out, what I have told again. From there, you just do. If 10-15 students can understand, rest of the students also can understand. Okay, because I have also said those things in Bengali also, right? So here I am going to the next page, next question answers I am going. Just wait for a while. So chapter first digit, next page. This is the next page. Can you see? Wait. Now can you see? Wait, I understood where is the problem. Can you see now? So this is the next page, page 13's answer. You just solve and you just solve it down back at your book. Roman numerals, all those, no, all the Roman numerals we have learned. So solve it, and afterwards you have to write it down. Swell, what happened? Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Kamis, what happened? Understood the activity part?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So, Shamayan, what happened? Done? Page 12 and 13 done?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Activity
मैम
you
मेरा
understood?
पहले से ही हो चुका था.
Okay, activity part you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So if you understood, I want everyone, means 25 students are there, means 24. I want 24 answer copy within 8 p.m. Okay, not after that. Okay, by tomorrow morning 8 p.m. Okay, I'm giving much time. Solve it and submit it. Okay, is it okay, Shamayan and Rami?
Ma'am, completed.
Yes, Rahat completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, I am.
बोला दिए.
Yes.
Ma'am, এটা কালকে সাবমিট করতে হবে.
Yes. Not this one. That activity part you have to submit by tomorrow.
आज ही
Okay.
करना होगा वो.
मैम,
No.
और क्या आज ही सबमिट करना होगा?
If you have completed today, see, tomorrow 8 a.m. means what? Within 8 a.m. you have to submit. But if today by 5 p.m. you
Okay,
have
ma'am.
completed your task, you can submit then. Okay? Is it clear? Tomorrow I will check. Understand? Yes.
मैम, मैं बोल रहा हूँ ओड नंबर और इवन नंबर के एक ही A4 साइज शीट में लिखना है.
दैट पिक्चर से लिखना है जो नंबर्स है उसको आप ऑड नंबर्स को ग्रीन करिए एंड इवन नंबर्स को, हाँ A4 नहीं है तो जो भी व्हाइट शीट है या फिर रूल शीट है जो भी है आपके पास, ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
ऐसा नहीं है कि व्हाइट A4 पेपर नहीं है तो आप असाइनमेंट नहीं किए हैं. व्हाइट शीट होने से अच्छा रहेगा. if it is if white sheet available नहीं है घर पे, जो भी पेपर है, पेपर तो एटलीस्ट है, खाता तो है आपके पास, कॉपी तो है, सो वही करिए एंड सबमिट करिए. असाइनमेंट करना जरूरी है. अंडरस्टैंड?
Okay.
Yes, Amar, what happened? Done. Amar, Rajbir, I hope you all are very good. So done. Okay. So I am just, can I share the next addition page also? Next, okay, next here, 14 and 15 page, 14 and 15 page mix and match. I am just leaving. Okay. So go to page 16. Go to page 16. 14 and page 15 page I am leaving. Go to page 16. I will just show the answers a little later. Okay, first you all try to solve it. You all try to solve it. No one should raise the hand now, please. Please, someone, what happens, someone, any problem is there? Page 16 में जाओ और sum करो. Okay, if done, no need to raise
मैम
hand.
मेरा पहले से ही हो चुका है पेज नंबर 16.
पेज नंबर 16 हो चुका है. Okay, okay.
हाँ.
If done, it's okay, fine. You just wait. Okay, I will show the answer. No need to raise your hand. I am taking the attendance. You all know that attendance time. You don't have to take your no need to just raise your hand. What I am telling. Jashmeer, are you there? Yes, Meghna, what happened?
ম্যাম কালকে কি সাবমিট করতে হবে?
That picture I have shown you na, that odd number, even number, that is actually, what can I say, that rounded in circle. ওই পিকচারটা ড্র করতে হবে। আমি আবার বলছি, হ্যাঁ, ওটা অ্যাসাইনমেন্টে গিয়ে আজকের ডেটে দেখবে ম্যাথস অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট বলে ক্রিয়েট করা থাকবে। তো সেখান থেকে ডাউনলোড করবে সবাই, করে ছবিটা একটা সাদা কাগজে এঁকে নেবে। এঁকে গোল গোল করে যেভাবে নাম্বার গুলো লেখা আছে লিখবে। লিখে বাড়িতে কোনো না কোনো কালার আছে তোমাদের কাছে, সেইগুলো হচ্ছে কালার গুলো করবে। করে কালকে 8টার মধ্যে আবার ছবি তুলে ওটায় ছবিটা কালকে সকাল 8টার মধ্যে আবার সাবমিট করে দেবে। বুঝতে পেরেছো? আমি আবার
ম্যাম ওই
কিন্তু
সার্কেল গুলোতেই কালার করতে হবে?
হ্যাঁ, ওই সার্কেল গুলোতেই কালার করতে হবে। এটা যদি ফিজিক্যাল ক্লাস হতো, এটা আমি ক্লাসেই করাতে পারতাম, কিন্তু ফিজিক্যাল ক্লাস তো হচ্ছে না, সেই জন্য আমি বাড়িতে দিচ্ছি তোমাদের। ঠিক আছে, বুঝতে পেরেছো?
ওকে ম্যাম।
আচ্ছা, so I'm showing you the answers of the next page. My network is today very much disturbing. It can happen that anytime I can just get out from my own class. Okay, so page 16. Can you see? Can you see? So these are the answer of the first page. here the flower means yes, I know where I need to make you understand. Yes, Esha, what happened?
ম্যাম বলছে আমার কাছে কোনো কালার নেই, আমি কি করে সাবমিট করব?
তুমি ড্রয়িং করো না? এসা তুমি ড্রয়িং করো না? এসা আনমিউট ইয়োরসেলফ। এসা ড্রয়িং করো না তুমি?
ড্রয়িং করি, লকডাউনের জন্য আমার সব কালার শেষ হয়ে গেছে।
I can't do this kind of problems, okay? But you have to submit means you have to submit some means from the next exam onwards activities. There should be some marks on the activities also. If you are not submitting, you will not get the marks, okay? Is it clear? I am just making it clear. This is our instruction I am providing.
Yes.
All the shops are not closed, okay? Few shops are just there. Okay, so here the flower pattern I'm drawing, and I'm just making one part understand, okay? 42 is there, 50 is there, and here plus is there, and here one blank is there. That means with 42 how much you have to add so that the answer will come as 50, okay? Like this way you have to solve. So what you will do, actually you will just from the middle you will just do the minus of 40 minus of 42, so it will come as 8. So here I am writing 8. Like the same way I have solved all the petals, okay? Means suppose this petal I'm considering, okay? I hope that everyone can see. So this petal, how I am just doing, from 50 I have just taken out 27, okay? So here it is coming 23, right? Like this way we should just we have completed, and rest of the sums are pretty easy, okay? Rest of the sums are pretty easy. You can see that to here only this digit and these digits are difference, okay? 7 and 8 is having the difference, so 10 we are adding. Like this way I have solved the entire page. You have done, I hope so. Most of the students, I gave the instructions far back that you just complete your mental maths book. I hope that most of the students have completed, okay? So please just complete it up to this. Today's class will be just end in any time. Please just complete it. Yes, done. Samayan and Amar done. This kind of activity type of things I will give more now. Okay. Since your syllabus is completed, I will give every day one activity. So I am requesting all the parents to just arrange one colored pencil. Pencil is much better. Color pencil from any shop or someone or some what, however you will arrange, I don't know, but because I know that from 7 to 10 all the shops are open, okay? So I'm considering this, I'm giving much time for the first assignment. I'm giving 2 days gap for the submitting the first assignment, okay? আমি বুঝতে পারছি প্রবলেম কোথায় হচ্ছে, আমি সেই জন্য 2 দিন সবাইকে দিচ্ছি। এর মধ্যে যারা ক্লাস করছো তোমরা স্টুডেন্টরা, তোমরা কিন্তু তোমাদের প্যারেন্টস কে বলবে না ম্যাম বলেইছে একটা কালার পেন্সিল কিনতে, ঠিক আছে? কালার পেন্সিল কিনবে, নষ্ট করবে না। অন্যান্য টিচাররাও অ্যাক্টিভিটি দেবে, সেইগুলো কিন্তু ওইভাবেই করতে হবে। অ্যাক্টিভিটি মানে শুধু ছবি আঁকা নয়, অ্যাক্টিভিটি মানে পড়াশোনার সাথে ছবিটাকে মানে কালার গুলোকে আমরা ইউজ করব, ঠিক আছে? তোমরা, আমি একটু বেশি টাইম দিচ্ছি যেহেতু ফার্স্ট অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট, পরের অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট থেকে আমি এত টাইম দেব না, ঠিক আছে? I will give only after school. Suppose school is ending at 2, so I will give up to 5 p.m. Like this way I will give, okay? So I'm stopping the share. All the answers are given back at your yes Munir, what happened?
Ma'am, completed.
Okay, no idea you understood why you are not regular in the class? Your parents were was absent in the parents teacher meeting. Why? তোমার মা কোথায়? তোমার মা কোথায়?